Hey bookkeepers, it's Trudy at Maven. Here's a simple fact that most people overlook when they're trying to niche. Every industry has its own language, and the secret to standing out isn't just serving a niche, it's speaking the language. Think about it. You don't win over contractors by talking about income and expenses. You talk to them about draw schedules, lien waivers, and cost plus contracts. You don't earn a restaurant's trust by showing off your Excel skills. You talk about food cost ratios, comps, spoilage, and server tip outs. Language creates trust. It signals, I know your world. And when you speak a business owner's native tongue, you don't have to sell yourself. They'll lean in and say, wow, you get this? Thank God. So, how do you start speaking a niche language? 1, start with what you already know. Your past jobs, your family, your hobbies, your lived experiences. If your spouse is a contractor, you've heard the lingo at the dinner table. If you grew up in a salon, you know how chair rent works. If you've worked in a bakery, you understand the pace, the point of sale system, and the daily closeout routine. Lived experiences are niche gold. Use them, own them, build from them. Step 2, look for natural segues. Let's say you helped your brother in his HVAC books. That opens the door to electricians, plumbers, general contractors. Same language, different tools. Or maybe you've done books for a bakery. That segues to coffee shops, juice bars, restaurants. Same workflow, different menu. Step 3, do a language audit. If you're exploring a new niche, learn what they care about. What reports do they obsess over? What are the 3 terms they show around that confuses everyone that's on the outside? What kind of compliance, timing, or billing cycles are unique to them? You're not becoming an expert in their trade. You're becoming fluent in how they talk about money. Here's some examples. In retail, you need to know terms like shrinkage, margin, SKU level sales, and daily drawer reconciliations. In medical practices, think copays, reimbursements, EHR systems, and provider productivity. Nonprofits, restricted versus unrestricted funds, board reporting, grant tracking. So here's your action item. Build a niche language cheat sheet and pick a niche you've already touched. Write down 5 terms they use, 3 problems they face, and 2 services you can tailor to them. And now you have a conversation starter, not just a pitch. And we've got a link to exactly that kind of sheet right here below. So make sure you print that out and use it for this exercise. Our final thought, niching isn't about boxing yourself in. It's about becoming the translator between their business and their books. Because when you speak their language, you don't have to prove you're the expert. They'll actually already know. Hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you've got another 4 minutes, we've got a great new episode coming up. It's called Own It, the Maven way to take accountability and to keep trust intact. We will see you there. That's an important one.